If I'm going to go into Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back. Today is Friday and I decided, okay, I'm supposed to vlog. I was supposed to vlog since yesterday, but I think I forgot. I'm supposed to vlog today because from the last vlog you guys were like, Sumayya, we want more vlogs, we love vlogs, and I was blushing. I was just like, oh my god, yes, I'm going to give you more vlogs. So the last vlog was about my days as an IT student. If you are here and you haven't watched that, go and watch it. Then this vlog is going to be about the rest of the days that I don't go on IT. You're going to ask, so Sumayya, what do you do at home? Well, these are the things I do for now, for this week. Every week is different. Let me confess. One of the main reasons why I decided to vlog this week, it's because I have something coming up on Sunday. Yeah, you need to stay till the end of the vlog just to enjoy that part of the vlog. You guys won't believe what, but I was reciting this page and then I saw this see the ayah لعلي أعمل صالحا فيما تركت. If you know, you know. If you were watching Ramadan series, you were supposed to know where this ayah came from. I was so happy.
Things in Palestine just keep getting worse. I feel so useless. What's the point of doing anything? Don't think like that. The world's waking up. Support for Palestine is the highest it's ever been. And the other side? Well, they're losing support and billions of dollars. They're scared. And don't forget, even the wind can't move without God's permission. So know this, the winds of freedom will pass through Palestine. You're not asked to free the land alone. So don't carry the weight of the world. Just carry your effort. Keep boycotting, keep speaking out, keep making dua. Do everything you can. Palestine will be free.
I got this mini printer from Temu and I'm so happy about it. So this is to tell you something new is coming in everything, Dean. This is where I spent the entire night just working. I had some bags to do, which I've made right now, but it hasn't been sold out. Check everything, Dean, on Instagram to see what design is available because I'll be posting them soon, inshallah. Why is flash on? Your hand looks somehow in this video.
Just stay. Now you do like this, you know, point. And you start saying it. Stay.
I'm like, perfect. I don't know, it's how you do it. I don't know, pour the victim now. Confusion. If I'm going to go into vlogging, like vlogging, the way people show details of their life, my life is going to be so different from every other vlogger you know. Anyways, on today's episode, this is Saturday and the OGs would remember my tailoring days. Today I have clothes to fix, so here we are. I know this vlog is going to come off as somewhat disorganized, but you guys should please bear with me. I have no idea what's going on with me throughout this week, subhanAllah. But today, oh my god, I'm going to prepare for an event by 1 p.m. inshallah. I just luckily stumbled on the event and I was like, oh my god, this is my first time attending something like this, and I have always wanted to attend this type of Sisterhood event. We were discussing mental health, blah blah, but anytime things like this are going on, I'm in school. I don't know, I think being in Bauchi has taken a large part of my life. I made many tote bags, which oh my god, that is going to come in the in next week's vlog for me to show you guys what I'm doing with those tote bags and what's going to happen, inshallah. So stay tuned for that. I'm very excited about that because so these are the tote bags I made. As I said, I have something coming up. So some of these are already bought, by the way. Oh my god, I made a new one for myself. I'm in love with it. It's not here, but when I dress up, and I think that's what I'm using today because it fits the color of my abaya. It's ash, so when I dress up, I'm going to do that. I don't mind my veil. I'm done with some chores and it's time to soak my face with this beautiful cucumber scrub. And gentlemen, give it time, I'm coming. When I'm done wrapping my veil and let's add cheese. Okay, sit well, we're going to adjust you this veil. Do mess up, and then oh my god. Okay, I was going to use an ash veil, but then my aunt was like, no, Sumayya, use golden. You see, because of this, Allahumma barik, say Allahumma barik, Allahumma barik. Oh my. An angry me is not a happy me. Oh my god. I don't like time wasting. Even though I'm mostly late to places I'm supposed to be in. But that's not what I mean. I mean, when we organize that I'm going to just meet you and pick up something, right? I want you to be there. Let me just pick up and go. Because somebody else is waiting for me to pick up another thing. So I just want to pick. I don't want it to be like, oh, you enter this road. Turn here. Sorry, I dropped my phone. Kai. So, we have arrived. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Sumayya Imam. I'm a YouTuber, a student, and I also own a business. You better vlog this one. I'm doing it.
So, hi everyone. My name is Maria Sandoda. Well, I'm a housewife and a mom.
Inshallah. A lifestyle influencer. I am a podcaster. Name of my podcast is Never Fully Understood. I have a business, Pink Dot. I sell veils, and I recently launched my clothing brand. So it's about patronizing it. And it's nice to meet all of you. Okay. I'm next. I'm grateful. First of all, I'm grateful to be here because this is my first sister's cycle, sort of. Then I'm grateful for my journey so far, my business, my parents. Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
Do you think that I'm going to post my scene? They are jealous about it, and I think that's the biggest one.
But I want to say this. There are some times where you act on your jealousy and you don't even realize what you are doing till you are being told. That one has happened to me. And people are like, Sumayya, you are jealous. And I'm like, no, I'm not. I don't realize that it's jealousy. That is, yes. I'm like, no, I'm not.
I agree. Like, okay, for example, because sometimes it's in you.
Heartbreaking. I think people use the word friend loosely.
Yeah.
And this is something I learned the hard way.
Yes.
People use the friend loosely, the word friend loosely. You have to understand that some people can never be your friend, but you still need them in your life. I'm sorry to use that word. I call them friends. So I would not allow you.
Is your own consistency okay?
Have you seen this? Let me see. Okay, that's finished.
If I can get to
See, don't worry. Trust me. I should just eat it. Yeah.
Because can we have your water?
Oh, like my leg is for you. I don't understand. Tina, why is yours still not like? I don't know.
Subscribe to her channel. Thank you. Never fully understood. You won't believe what actually happened today. I fasted. I fasted. I went for an event that way. Oh my god, it's a whole story. So according to my calendar, today is 28th of Shawwal, which is Sunday. Actually, my calendar is one day late because it calculated Ramadan as 30 days and we did 29 days Ramadan. So I was following my phone calendar and I still had one more Sitter Shawwal. So I was like, anyhow, I'm going to fast on the last day of Shawwal. But like, this is a sign that you should not procrastinate. Oh my god, just for me too. Yesterday I didn't fast and my cousin was telling me, Sumayya, fast, blah blah blah. I shunned her and I slept. I actually woke up like the whole time, but I slept back, just for my mom to be like, well, you have to fast tomorrow because tomorrow is the last day of Shawwal. And I'm like, what? I'm going out, I'm not fasting. And then they were looking at me like, what do you mean? I'm like, Shawwal is ending Monday. They said, what do you mean? 29th Shawwal is Sunday. This is how I argued. I later found out I was wrong, and this is how I fasted to the event. So I broke my fast on the way home. I had this bottled water. I had this, so I just drank, and it's now I'm actually going to eat. I told them that I'm fasting and all, and they gave me takeaway, which is really nice. So now I'm going to eat. Iftar Mubarak, and I guess mas salam to Shawwal.